Hello ladies and gentlemen, today's sponsor of our video is Lumary. Lumary is a brand that is manufactured the electronics. We have review video on a solar fan. So they do LED lights, they do solar fans, they do lots of other electronics. You can visit their website. So today we're going to be review remote control it bay light with 32,000 lumens. It's actually have its own transmitter. You can use it separate to control over the phone and the internet. So you will receive this protection sleeve. We're gonna attach it so you can put it anywhere you want. Over here you got a hook. It's about almost like an inch hook, very strong, very slick design for the bolt right here to lock up so it won't slip. I'll show you in a second how strong is there's a locking bolt on the side right here, so it's not on screw. The cable is long enough to get inside the system. You might need in the garage, you might need something else like extension. Let's see, that's how strong is it and powerful. So this is component is important. You just snug in and push it in, and it's got a lock. So this component is work with remote control. Okay, let's go ahead and connect power and see how that thing is operates. I trust this brand. I was waiting for the dark, so they have more experience. Okay, let's plug this thing in, and geez, this is very high. So I know the thing is blinking. It's probably wanna get connected to let's see if we can pair this thing. Yeah, it's in the pairing actually mode. Probably expecting for this to be connected.